Hi, Bob. It is so good to see you again.
Hello, Alice. It has been a very long time.
How are you today, Bob?
I am fine, Alice. How about you?
I am very happy, Bob. Life is good.
I missed our talks in the park, Alice.
Me too, Bob. Let's walk and talk.
That is a great idea, Alice.
Bob, do you still work at the bank?
No, Alice. I have a new job now.
Where do you work today, Bob?
I work in a big library, Alice.
That sounds very quiet and nice, Bob.
Yes, I read many books every day, Alice.
I want to visit you at work, Bob.
Please come on Tuesday, Alice.
How is your sister, Bob?
She is very well, Alice. She has a baby.
Oh, that is wonderful news, Bob.
Yes, the baby is very small and cute, Alice.
What is the baby's name, Bob?
His name is Leo, Alice.
I want to see a photo, Bob.
Look at my phone, Alice. Here he is.
Bob, are you hungry right now?
Yes, Alice. I did not eat breakfast.
Do you want to eat eggs and toast, Bob?
I prefer pancakes and fruit, Alice.
Okay, Bob. Let's go to the cafe.
The cafe has very good coffee, Alice.
I like tea more than coffee, Bob.
I know, Alice. You always drink tea.
Bob, look at the sky. It is very gray.
I think it is going to rain, Alice.
Do you have an umbrella, Bob?
No, Alice. My umbrella is at home.
We can share my umbrella, Bob.
Thank you, Alice. You are very kind.
Wait, Bob. The sun is coming out.
Now it is a beautiful day, Alice.
Bob, what do you do in your free time?
I play the guitar, Alice. I love music.
Can you play a song for me, Bob?
Not today, Alice. My guitar is broken.
That is sad, Bob. Can you fix it?
Yes, I will fix it tomorrow, Alice.
I play tennis on Saturdays, Bob.
You are very active, Alice.
Bob, do you still live in the city center?
No, Alice. I moved to a small house.
Is your new house near the sea, Bob?
Yes, Alice. I can see the water.
That sounds very peaceful, Bob.
It is quiet and the air is clean, Alice.
I want to visit you this weekend, Bob.
You are always welcome, Alice.
Bob, I need to buy new shoes.
The mall is open today, Alice.
Do you want to come with me, Bob?
Yes, I need to buy a new shirt, Alice.
What color do you want, Bob?
I like blue and green, Alice.
There is a sale at the store, Bob.
Great. Let's save some money, Alice.
Bob, do you still have your cat?
Yes, Alice. Her name is Luna.
Is she a friendly cat, Bob?
She is very friendly and soft, Alice.
I have a new dog now, Bob.
What kind of dog is it, Alice?
He is a small white dog, Bob.
Dogs are great friends, Alice.
Bob, did you see the new movie?
No, Alice. Is it a funny movie?
Yes, Bob. I laughed a lot.
Who is the main actor, Alice?
It is Tom Hanks, Bob.
He is a very good actor, Alice.
Do you want to watch it tonight, Bob?
Yes, Alice. Let's buy some popcorn.
Bob, how do you go to work?
I go by bus, Alice. It is easy.
Does the bus come every morning, Bob?
Yes, Alice. It comes at 8 o'clock.
I drive my car to work, Bob.
Is there a lot of traffic, Alice?
Yes, the traffic is very bad, Bob.
Maybe you should take the bus, Alice.
Bob, are you learning something new?
Yes, Alice. I am learning Spanish.
Is it a difficult language, Bob?
It is a bit hard, but fun, Alice.
Can you say something in Spanish, Bob?
Hola, Alice, ¿cómo estás?
That sounds very cool, Bob.
Thank you, Alice. I practice every day.
Bob, what can you cook?
I can cook pasta and pizza, Alice.
Can you cook dinner for me, Bob?
Yes, Alice. I can make spaghetti.
I like spaghetti with cheese, Bob.
I will buy some fresh cheese, Alice.
I will bring some salad, Bob.
That is a perfect dinner, Alice.
Bob, do you like football?
Yes, Alice. I watch it on Sundays.
What is your favorite team, Bob?
I like the local team, Alice.
I prefer swimming, Bob.
The pool is open today, Alice.
I am going there at 5, Bob.
Have a great swim, Alice.
Bob, what are your plans for tomorrow?
I am going to the park, Alice.
Are you going with friends, Bob?
No, Alice. I am going alone to read.
I am going to the cinema, Bob.
What movie are you watching, Alice?
I am watching a love story, Bob.
Enjoy your movie, Alice.
Bob, did you travel this summer?
Yes, Alice. I went to Italy.
Was the food good in Italy, Bob?
The pizza was amazing, Alice.
Did you see the Colosseum, Bob?
Yes, it is very big and old, Alice.
I want to go to Italy too, Bob.
You should go next year, Alice.
Bob, do you like your new phone?
Yes, Alice. It has a great camera.
Can you take a photo of me, Bob?
Sure, Alice. Smile for the camera.
The photo looks very good, Bob.
I will send it to you, Alice.
Thank you, Bob. You are a good friend.
You are welcome, Alice.
Bob, you look very tired today.
I did not sleep well, Alice.
Why could you not sleep, Bob?
The neighbors were very loud, Alice.
You should drink some warm milk, Bob.
Does it help you sleep, Alice?
Yes, Bob. It always works for me.
I will try that tonight, Alice.
Bob, your garden is very beautiful.
Thank you, Alice. I love my plants.
Do you have any red roses, Bob?
Yes, Alice. Look at them here.
They smell very nice, Bob.
I water them every morning, Alice.
Can I have one rose, Bob?
Of course, Alice. This one is for you.
Bob, I must go home now.
It was nice talking to you, Alice.
Let's meet again very soon, Bob.
How about next Friday, Alice?
That sounds perfect, Bob.
Have a safe trip home, Alice.
Goodbye, Bob.
Goodbye, Alice.